In this video, we are going to see how we can remove the duplicates in Google Sheets and only keep the unique values. And we will also apply this to a practical use case of the data validation where we have created the list of different employees. Let's take an example to a further next level, and let's say that we add the same employee details down here. Let's say the data is repeated multiple times, and that is a very practical situation where you get the multiple entries of, let's say, inventory items sold every day, but that inventory items repeats every day multiple times. The quantity might be different, the date might be different, but there are items that is repeated many times. So how will this data validation react? As you can see, it is already showing some kind of error. So let's see how we can resolve all these errors. But first of all, in this example, we are going to see how we can remove the duplicates and only keep the unique values. If we take the table here, we get one-time details, but still, let's see how we can remove those duplicates. We will copy all of this details where the duplicates exist, and let's add it to a new sheet, or you can add it to a current sheet as well. We can add it down here, paste it here, and we want to go to data and head over to data cleanup where we see remove duplicates. We click on this. It has identified the column that you have already selected this. It has 20 rows and one column selected, all good. Columns to analyze, select all. Column A is already selected. So basically the details are automatically selected once we have selected the range already. Click on remove duplicates, and it says immediately that 10 duplicate rows found and removed, 10 unique rows removed, because we have repeated the data set, right? So that's how you can get this result. Let's try to paste this departments, and let's identify the unique departments only. Let's say we want to create a unique department list, but we don't want to enter it manually. All we have to do is to copy the complete range. You can even copy it from the column, and let's actually paste it on other sheet. And this time we will write departments. Let's paste it here. And now we want to remove the duplicates. We'll select the data and let's go to data cleanup, and we want to remove the duplicates. Remove duplicates, and now we only have 6 unique values remain. One is the department heading itself, and there are 5 departments working under that. So that's basically how we use or remove the duplicate values in Google Sheets. And also, as soon as we remove that, you will see that the data errors are resolved. But let's say for month 1, Jessica Davis has 61,000 salary, and Jessica Davis in the second month has 84,000 salary. The code is same, everything is same. So how does the VLOOKUP works? VLOOKUP only picks the first data that comes into its way. Jessica Davis, as you can see, it has identified 61,000 in the salary, although the data is already extending it to the unlimited rows, but still it always finds the first results that come in its way. And that's a drawback you can say of VLOOKUP, but not actually a drawback, because it is used to find only the unique values in the data. So whatever is the unique value, you can use it according to that, or you create a unique value yourself by creating the combination of 2 values from different columns so that you always create a unique one. But that's about it. This is how you can remove the duplicates in Google Sheets. Just try this by yourself, and I will see you in the next one.